Okay, good afternoon. This is 4F1 KJA, and we have here a 7-element Yagi. My design, stainless 5-element VHF Yagi. So as you can see, there is an allowance boom on the back so that they can put the bracket from that point from the back of the reflector for the other option. Or at the same time, if they're going to use a 3-element, we have here a cutting edge on the center, press center. Okay, so if they want to use this 3-element in mobile or movable use, they can eliminate the 4-element on the front. So there is an option that they can terminate the 4-element so that there will be a 3-element on the side. So as you can see, that is the gamma match portion, and it was calibrated into a flat 1 on the center frequency 145 megahertz. Okay, the owner of this antenna will be Al AHL from Cavite. Okay, so here's it, Al, and just enjoy your new antenna 73s. 4F1 KJ signing off.